Let's begin with the next question here. The question is, a spacecraft flying in a straight course with a velocity of 75 km per second fires its rocket motors for 6 seconds. And at the end of this time, its speed is 120 km per second in the same direction. So from the first few lines, you get the initial velocity of the rocket, the final velocity, which is 120, and the time duration for this change in speed to take place, which is 6 seconds. So these are the given quantities in the question. Now you can see here initial and final velocity are in the same units, and time is also given in seconds, so there is no need to convert it into meter per second or in kilometer per hour because their units are same. Okay. Next, the question is, you have to find the spacecraft's average acceleration while the motors were firing. So till what time the motors were firing? It was firing till 6 seconds. So that means in the first 6 seconds you have to find the average acceleration. So what is the formula of acceleration, children? Acceleration is V minus U upon T. So when you put the values here, you get the answer in kilometer per second square. Okay. Initial velocity is 75, final velocity is 120, time duration is 6. Now comes the next question. The next question is that you have to calculate the distance traveled by the spacecraft in the first 10 seconds. Now rocket motors were firing till 6 seconds, and in the next 4 seconds the rocket motors were not working. That means as per the question, it means that the spacecraft continued its motion, it continued to travel till the next 4 seconds also, and you have to find out the entire distance traveled in the first 10 seconds. So that means the second part itself has 2 more parts. In the first part, you will find the distance covered in first 6 seconds. In the second part, you will find the distance covered in the last 4 seconds. So that 6 plus 4 is 10. And finally, you will add up these 2 distances. So for the first part, let us use the third equation of motion. Let's say the distance traveled in the first 6 seconds is S1. So the third equation of motion is V square minus U square equals to 2AS1. Acceleration you have found just now, which is 7.5 kilometer per second square. So we will put the value of acceleration here. V is 120 and U is 75. So on putting the values here, how much do we get? We will get 585 kilometers. That means in the first 6 seconds, when the rockets were fired, the distance traveled by the spacecraft was 585 kilometers. In the last 4 seconds, the distance traveled we have to find. So in the last 4 seconds, what was the velocity acquired? The velocity it acquired was 120 km per second. As you can read from the question itself, that at the end of this time, that means at the end of 6 seconds, the speed becomes 120. And it simply implies that for the last 4 seconds, the speed will remain 120. So in order to find the distance traveled in the last 4 seconds, we'll simply use the formula distance equals to speed into time. So it is how much? 480. So total distance traveled we'll simply add up these 2 numbers, and 1065 kilometer is the total distance traveled by the spacecraft.